Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning about some common places in Filipino. Knowing them can help you get around in the Philippines, and using them can make being around some locals more fun. Let's start with Palengke. This is market in English. Palengke. 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 Saan ka pupunta? Sa palengke. Sa palengke po, kuya. Saan po ang palengke? Kalsada. This translates to road. Kalsada. 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 Anong kalsada po ito? Saan po papunta ang kalsadang to? Saan po ang kalsadang ito? The next one is Kalye. This is street in English. Kalye. 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 Anong kalye po ito? Saan po papunta ang kalyeng to? Saan po ang kalyeng ito? Bahay. This is house. Bahay. 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 Saan ang bahay mo? Malapit lang ang bahay ko. Malayo pa ang bahay ko. The last one is Tindahan, which translates to store. Tindahan. 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 Saan po ang malapit na tindahan? May tindahan po ba dito? Malayo po bang tindahan dito? These are just some common places you might be asking about in the Filipino language. Now, let's practice the words. This is market. Palengke. This translates to road. Kalsada. This is street. Kalye. This translates to house. Bahay. This is store. Tindahan. I hope you find these words useful the next time you talk to a local about some common places. Try using these words and you'll surely surprise some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.